What's up guys, it's this guy back at it again for another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install Python and editing software called Thonny, and let's get started. Okay, the first thing you want to do is go to the Python website and you'll see a tab called Downloads. You're going to hover over Downloads, and then there's going to be a download link for your specified OS, so mine is Mac OS. I'm going to install it, wait for it to download, and open it up. And you just want to skip through all of this until you get to the install part. So it's going to ask for your password, so enter that in, and it's going to install. And that's all for Python. Now let's go into Thonny. So this is how you install Thonny. So there's going to be a link in the description for you to install it. So once you get to the website, you just want to hit whatever OS you're on and install it, open it up, and wait for it to install. And next thing you want to do is click Thonny when it pops up, or you can go to downloads and open it up if you're on Windows, and just open it up, and there you go. So the bottom one is the shell, the top one is where you enter in your code, and yeah. Thanks for watching. This is part 1 of the series. Stay tuned, and yeah, peace out.